Hindi ya giikaro na kamiti ya Senate igie woigithia na igina cia mwanya Ngavana Waiguru ekinyetie gutariria riboti ya mutari wa mathabu igie kambuni ya utambia wa mai ya KIRIWASCO.
My dear sister, who is the CC?
Waiguru ambiririe na gutariria wirutiri wa thirikari yake hari kuhura njeki kambuni ino niguo kurehe mogaruku maria megutigirira muingi ni wamukira utungata ukinyaniire mai matheru na thogora mwega.
They've also done the treatment plants for the sewer system, because the sewer system was coming from up from Mutira, KIRIWASCO to Kutus area, but it's not covering the lower part. But that treatment plant, we were there inspecting it the other day, and it is almost completely finished. They were just testing to make sure that the water that is being emitted after the treatment is actually clean, but we can say even the sewerage system is done.
Waiguru augite kuringana na watho thirikari cia kaunti ititekiritio kuingirira mihango yothe ya kambuni cia mai ende ciuria iria ciothe ciuritio ni mutari wa mathabu thirikari yake ni coketie na makaiganira.
We have noted the issues raised both by the auditors that are outstanding and also raised by the Senate committee, and we have noted the timelines as well, and we will be taking the necessary action to ensure that the institution is put in the right footing.
Muikariri gete wa kamiti no Godfrey Osoti ni oritie magavana kurutithia wira watho wa mai wa 2016 kuria thirikari cia kaunti ciagire gukorwo ikiramata kambuni cia mai. Ndomereri yake kinyitwo mbaru ni seneta wa Kiambu Karungo wa Thang'wa.
We are very cordial in our engagement as a committee. There is no hostility because we understand this is just about working for our people.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV kaunti-ini ya Kirinyaga, jitagwo Wainaina wa KIARIA.